Stacy.
And I'm Kingsley.
And welcome to our very first vlog on Boom Chick Abroad. 3 months ago, I quit my job. We left our home in Denver, Colorado, eloped in Brooklyn, and set off on the ultimate honeymoon.
And I run a digital marketing company, and I'm traveling abroad with my beautiful wife, Stacy. We're learning about new cultures, world history, and other fun things here and around Europe.
So for the last 3 months, we have been traveling all throughout Europe, and right now we are in Split, Croatia, right on the Dalmatian coast of the Adriatic Sea. So let's go check out Split.
Let's go. Hey guys. So we're back here, we're walking along what's called as the Riva, which is the main promenade here in Split, Croatia.
And it goes right along the Adriatic, and there's also tons of restaurants and shops and little craft stands. And right behind this set of buildings right here is the famous Diocletian's palace. So we're gonna go check that out too. Just made our way to the market here in Split. They have everything here, from like all kinds of produce, and then there's also all these like butchers around, and there's flowers that they sell and little knickknacks and souvenirs, backpacks, watches, all the things. It's basically become our grocery store here in Split because we're trying to save some money, by cooking at home since we are traveling long term. So if you guys are in Split, totally check out the market. I got it! I've been eyeing this backpack for the last probably like week and a half that we've been here in Split, and I talked him down just a little bit of money, but just enough, and I got it, and I'm really excited.
So we're standing here in front of Diocletian's palace. Diocletian was a Roman emperor from, I believe, 284 to 305. So during the 3rd century, he was the first emperor to actually bring rule for a long time when the Roman Empire was starting to collapse during that time by changing up the government. And this is his palace. Diocletian never actually went to Rome. He's the first emperor ever not to go to Rome. But he built this crazy big palace because he is said to be from this area.
And right now we are standing in front of the Silver Gate, which is on the eastern side of the palace and leads into the city walls.
Yeah, so this is one of the gates. There's 4 gates that go to the palace: the silver, the gold, the bronze, and the
iron
gate.
So we are standing right now in front of the Golden Gate of Diocletian's palace, and the Golden Gate was meant only for Diocletian and his family. So this is kind of VIP right now, going into the palace. About the city is that a lot of the tourists just stay on the main arteries of the interior walls of the palace, but you can totally just duck into all of these little narrow alleyways that you think are off limits. They're actually not. You can totally just pick one, walk around, and explore in a little more peace and quiet, like back in here. Diocletian's palace is a massive fortified maze built largely by Romans in the 4th century to serve as the emperor's retirement home. Once an opulent home to royalty and militia, the palace today is ancient ruins turned bustling city center and is one of the main draws to Split. The 30,000 square meter palace now houses about 3,000 residents, as well as hundreds of shops, restaurants, and cafes. We are loving Split, but right now we are going to take a little escape from the city and head up to Marjan Hill. On the stairs of Marjan Hill, there's I think something like 800 of them, something like that, I'm not really sure, but we will see you at the top, and there is a huge 360 platform that you can see all of Split, and you can see the other side of the mountain also, which is in the bay of the Adriatic, and we're definitely in for some awesome views. So the first time we did this hike, we went straight up the stairs to get to the 360 viewing platform at the very top. And this time we decided to take a little detour, and it led us to this church that we are just now discovering. Let me show you guys. How cool is this, babe?
Yeah, it's really cool. It's an old church from what looks like 1219.
Oh yeah?
And the doors, I don't think they ever opened it, because you can see where people have actually tossed in coins for their wishes.
Oh.
And there's still a bunch of coins in it.
Very cool.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet. You know, I like the views out here. I think it's pretty sweet. That's the coolest part.
Wow, it's gorgeous.
It's actually still hot here, late October. A lot of steps. Counted over 800 steps, but almost at the top now.
If you're not too tired once you reach the top, you can continue your hike down the other side of Marjan Hill to find some new hidden gems. So we stumbled upon another church here on our hike, and it is pretty special. It's really cool. I'm going to show you guys.
We're about to finish up our hike, and the sun is setting here at St. Jerome's Church, built in the 15th century, behind us.
We've had an awesome day exploring Marjan Hill, and it's so beautiful here, you guys. And but we are about to finish up this vlog, and I hope you guys liked it. It's our very first one, so leave some comments below. There'll definitely be some more coming, so definitely subscribe and follow me on Instagram at boomchickabroad. And thanks for watching.